Manual handling principles. Number 1, always plan the task before starting. 2, use mechanical aids to lift or carry a heavy load wherever possible. 3, never attempt to lift or carry loads if you think they are too heavy. 4, if you are picking a load up off the ground, get into a suitable position. Think about your feet position, body position, and grip. 5, minimize bending your back or twisting when lifting or carrying. When lifting from a bench, be sure to slide items closer to you to avoid lifting away from the body. Try and avoid lifting overhead where possible, and if required, get yourself into a good position. Lift, hold, and carry the load as close to your body as possible. Ensure you have good footing when carrying or lifting on sloped or uneven ground. When pushing or pulling an item, keep the load close to you. Keep your elbows close to you by the side of your body and use your whole body. Where possible, push instead of pull. When grasping and manipulating items, try and use both sides of the body and ensure you have a good grip. When team lifting, be sure to plan the task, communicate effectively, lift with someone you know, and where possible, choose someone of the same size. When carrying loads, keep the items close to you. Use both hands and close to the waist. If carrying items by the side, aim for both sides where possible to keep the load even. In the videos following this, we're going to look at some task-specific examples. Here we have the storage door being opened. We bend down, place our hand on the storage door, use both hands to push up overhead, and when closing, we step in, provide enough space between us and the door, pulling the door down, and then we bend down through the feet and knees. When handling from the ground, bend at your knees, pick up with your hands. When handling from a low shelf, get down close to the item, bending through your knees, facing the object. In some circumstances, you may choose to kneel in order to get down close and manipulate the object. When handling from a mid-shelf, face the object, slide it out towards you, get a good grip on the object. Remember, not all objects have handles, so you need to grasp and manipulate that object safely. When handling from a high shelf, so shoulder head or above, again, manipulate, face the object, keep your arms in close. Try and avoid lifting the load away from your body. In some circumstances, you may need to use a step. Try and maintain 3 points of contact where possible. Ideally, lighter items are placed up high. Now, when it comes to awkward reaching, you can see here, we're reaching and lifting the load away from the body. That will place more stress on the upper limb and lower back. Where possible, try and get in as close to the object as possible. Again, awkward reaching off the floor, minimal bending through the knees and hips, reaching with the upper limb. Now, when it comes to netball posts, etc., we have a large awkward item. Handle the item with both hands, place it across the body, hold with both hands securely.